have the legal right to defend yourself. We had a mother, she came to us, she was pretty upset. Okay, she had just called the police to arrest her own son, her own flesh and blood. Now the backstory was that he was going through some problems, but as a result, he was becoming very angry and starting to become violent. She came to us, she didn't know, had she done the right thing? She was told that in Canada, where we live, you are not allowed to defend yourself, not legally. And it's a good question. What are your legal options? What are your legal limits? Like, our personal opinion is we need to take care of the total you. Nobody should be worried about this stuff. And that's why we've added on the website, we've got the ask button. You click on that, ask us your question about your situation so that you can be informed. Elevation650.com. We'll see you there.